Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be delving into the world of gardening hacks that are not just affordable, but are sure to bring a new level of charm to your green spaces. Now imagine being able to transform your garden while saving hundreds of dollars in the process. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. We're about to unravel some incredible gardening hacks that you can easily implement with items from your local dollar store. From repurposed containers to DIY bug repellents, these hacks are designed to make gardening more efficient, more fun, and of course more affordable. So if you're someone who loves gardening but is also keen on saving some bucks, you're in for a real treat. That's right, you don't need to break the bank to have a stunning garden. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. DIY plant markers. Keeping track of what's what in your garden can sometimes feel like a memory test. But with this cost-effective hack, you'll have no more guessing games in your garden. Simply head to your local dollar store and grab some popsicle sticks and a permanent marker. Once you're home, write the names of your plants on the popsicle sticks. Make sure the writing is clear and will withstand the outdoor elements. Once that's done, just stick them in the ground next to the corresponding plants. It's that simple. Now, you'll know exactly where everything is, saving you time and confusion down the line. Plus, these DIY markers add a touch of charm to your garden. So go ahead, give your green space that personal touch with these easy-to-make plant markers. No more guessing games in your garden. Next up, hack number 2. Repurposed containers. It's time to get creative and give a second life to those empty containers you've been tossing out. These can be transformed into perfect little homes for starting seeds or planting small herbs. You'll be surprised at how many things you can repurpose. Old yogurt cups, egg cartons, even plastic bottles, they all have the potential to become a mini greenhouse for your sprouting seeds. The process is simple. Take your chosen container, poke a few drainage holes at the bottom, and fill them up with some good quality soil. Once you've done that, you're ready to plant your seeds or small plants. This hack not only helps reduce waste, but also saves you from spending on expensive planters. So the next time you finish off that tub of yogurt, think twice before tossing it out. Grab some old yogurt cups or egg cartons, poke a few drainage holes, fill them with soil, and you've got yourself some free planters. Now let's move on to hack number 3. DIY watering globes. Our plants need a steady supply of water, but what if you're not around to provide it? Here's a simple solution that will keep your plants hydrated, even when you're away. First, scour your local dollar store for empty plastic bottles. The beauty of this hack is that it works with bottles of all sizes, so you can tailor it to your garden's needs. Small bottles for your potted plants, larger ones for your outdoor shrubs. It's all up to you. Once you've got your bottles, fill them up with water. Then simply invert the filled bottles into the soil near your plants. Make sure to push them in deep enough so they remain upright and stable. These DIY watering globes work by slowly releasing water into the soil, keeping it moist and your plants happy. Fill them with water, invert them into the soil near your plants, and watch as they slowly release water as needed. Up next, hack number 4, garden trellis. This is a fantastic solution to give your climbing plants the support they need to flourish. And guess what? It's as affordable as it is effective. All you require are a pack of zip ties and some bamboo skewers. You can find these items at your local dollar store, making this hack not just effective, but budget-friendly too. Here's how to create your own garden trellis. Start by laying out your bamboo skewers in a grid pattern. This will form the base of your trellis. Then, secure each intersection with a zip tie. Make sure it's tight so your trellis holds up against the weight of your plants. Repeat this process until you've achieved your desired size. It's really that simple. Simply zip tie the skewers together in a grid pattern, and you've got yourself a sturdy trellis for your vines and climbers. And finally, hack number 5, DIY bug repellent. Hacks aren't just about beautifying your garden, they're also about protecting it. And what better way to protect your plants than with a natural homemade bug repellent? This hack is as simple as it is effective. All you need are 3 ingredients: water, vinegar, and a little bit of dish soap. The vinegar acts as a deterrent for many common garden pests, while the dish soap helps the mixture to stick to the plants, increasing its effectiveness. To make your repellent, simply mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Then add in a few drops of dish soap, and give it a good shake. Spray the mixture on your plants, making sure to cover the leaves, stems, and any budding flowers. With this potent bug deterrent, you can keep harmful pests at bay. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle, add a few drops of dish soap, and you've got yourself a potent bug deterrent. And now for our bonus hack, solar lights. Let's illuminate your garden with a whimsical glow without the need for expensive outdoor lighting. The secret ingredient? Solar lights from your local dollar store. They're not just cost-effective but also eco-friendly, using the power of the sun to brighten your outdoor space when dusk falls. Now, how do you use them? It's as simple as it gets. First, decide where you'd like to place these solar lights. Choose locations that receive ample sunlight during the day and that you'd like to highlight at night. Consider lining them along garden paths, dotting them around your flower beds, or even hanging them from tree branches for an enchanting effect. Remember, the key is to be strategic with their placement so they both absorb enough sunlight during the day and add a charming glow to your garden at night. Pick up a pack of solar lights from the dollar store and place them strategically around your garden. And there you have it, folks. $5 store garden hacks that will save you hundreds plus one bonus hack. From DIY plant markers and repurposed containers to homemade watering globes, garden trellises and a natural bug repellent, we've shown you how to save big and still have a thriving garden. And let's not forget our bonus hack, the solar lights, adding a touch of magic to your garden without breaking the bank. These simple, cost-effective tips can transform your gardening experience, making it more organized, sustainable, and enjoyable. So why not give them a try? We're sure you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with just a few dollars and a little creativity. And remember, we'd love to hear about your garden adventures, so don't hesitate to hit the like button, drop us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening.